i35equipment.com. This is the XCMG XE360U hydraulic track excavator. Welcome you to come look this machine over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to company if you like. We are open by appointment only and it is shown by appointment only, so please give us a call to get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. Be happy to have you come out and check it out though. Also, we can get you a hauling quote to your farm or job site. Just fill out the form on our website with your full delivery address, or call, text, or email with that address. We'll share it with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back with you with the best rate that comes to us. Or if you're so equipped, you can come pick it up for yourself. There's an excellent machine. Has lots and lots of power. Really quick operating for such a large machine. Has all working work lights, weld-on side guards, auxiliary hydraulics in case you want to add some sort of attachment or hydraulic thumb. We do have both manual thumbs and hydraulic thumbs available. Cummins diesel sounds to be running excellent. That bucket has 5 teeth and cutting wings to help you slide through the earth. We do have other buckets available if that's of interest to you. Machine has cold working air conditioning and a rear view camera. Also has switchable control pattern, so no matter who's operating it, you can feel right at home behind the controls. Let's go check out the undercarriage on the other side. Working horn. If you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, we help you get your equipment sold. We do specialize in consignment sales here. Just call, learn more, or visit our website. We have folks all over the country looking for good, ready-to-work equipment. Alright, let's get out of his way. I believe that bucket's a little over 2 cubic yards of capacity. There's your auxiliary hydraulic hookup. Like I said, we do have hydraulic thumbs available if that's of interest to you. XCMG utilizes a Kawasaki pump and the Cummins diesel motor. Really good combination. Kawasaki pump. On side guards, really nice to have just there in case you get a little too close to a tree or other structure. Hydraulic fluid level looks great. Real clean here, 5. Looks like you want it to be. We got that undercarriage. Excellent undercarriage. Looks like it's been sitting and loading trucks more than it actually has been tripping around. Let's hop up in the operator station, take a look around. Gonna zoom out to the fisheye lens, may distort a little bit, but give you a good view of the operator station. It does have the factory XCMG rubber floor mat, as well as the XCMG air suspension seat. Press this up, get a little more air cushion. Let's go ahead and shut this door. I can feel that cold working air conditioning already. All right, it does have the working radio. AC. Currently sitting at 2.1, just about 2.128 hours. It is pre-plumbed for quick attach, so it does have the switches here and the hoses run down for your work lights. It does have working windshield wiper. Back here, there is the factory operator's manual. It's a little dusty, but it is there. Nice little feature to have. Do appreciate you taking time to watch. As always, you see more photos, more information, and more equipment on our website, www.i35equipment.com, and hope you have a wonderful day.